live here at Santa Maria, Bulacan. I am Darin Ramos, your weather reporter from BLA News. Good morning, Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. Today is Thursday, February 19, 2026. Our current weather as of 9 a.m. is 27 degrees Celsius cloudy. In Luzon, partly cloudy conditions are expected around 2 p.m. Wind gusts are up to 36 km per hour. While in Visayas, rainy conditions are expected around 6 p.m. Wind gusts are up to 4 km per hour. While in Mindanao, rainy conditions are expected continue all day. Wind gusts are up to 33 km per hour. Again, this is Darin E. Ramos. Thanks for watching. Stay safe and have a great day.